The allegations.
Yes.
So what is the response of the state?
See, the response from the state government is this. I'm telling you, as I said you, why these three persons, they doing this? Why not come to the state government? In the first place, please come to the state government, come to the district administration, or now if you cannot come to the district administration, go to civil subdivision. We do have the administration closer to the people, that area. But I fail to understand why do they have to go directly to the honorable governor. That is number one. That is a big question. And number two, I'm afraid maybe these people, they have some malign intention as far as the governance that we are running in the state of Meghalaya, because government, MDA government, we are all out for everybody, both for tribal and non-tribal, and then we keep saying this, that we treat them as our brothers and sisters for both the community. On that. But let me just tell you one thing. Even our friends outside the state, in fact, we are friendly. Be it in Calcutta, be it anywhere, in fact, we are friendly. Well, as I said to you, maybe anti-social elements used to be there, 0.1%. So please don't take it so seriously with this 0.1%, because we are friendly with everybody, be it in Calcutta, be it in Delhi, be it in Assam, be it anywhere. So even our young children, maximum of them, they're studying outside the state. So that also needs to be taken into consideration. Therefore, we have a very, very good cordial relationship with all the states in India as a whole. But as I said to you, we take exception with these people who, instead of coming to the government, they went ahead with that complaint. I really don't know the complaint they made, but ultimately I'm telling you, let the concerned authority take care of everything, and I'm sure everything will be fine. So that also we have discussed. The concern of friends from Golpara district is about coming in to our state, and then again in the evening. Maybe in the morning they enter the state, and then in the evening they go back to their respective places. So what happened was, the previous protocol was, while entering, you need to go for RAT, rapid antigen test, and the rate is rupees 500 per test. So these people, the issue is very genuine. They said, how can we test every day, and how can we pay every day 500 rupees while entering? So now we have decided, an instruction has been issued to the respective deputy commissioners, that those people who does business in Meghalaya, they can be tested once in 10 days. 500 rupees today, again 10 days, they will go again for rapid antigen test. Our request to all concerned is to kindly don't spread out any news which is affecting peace, tranquility, and the peaceful state of Meghalaya. I would request all of them to refrain from this kind of spreading the rumors in the social media. Because see, ultimately, I think you must have seen it. Even those permanent residents, whom we call it Bengali community, they came out with a very good statement. They said, in fact, no harassment done by the local people. So that itself you understand. And from the government side, I would like to only request all the concerned, please don't add fuel. Don't add fuel in this issue, because we live together, we grow together in Meghalaya, and we are one. Don't say that you are non-tribal, or don't say that you are tribal, but we are one as brothers and sisters. All the nation movement, okay, not only interstate, the nation as a whole. So what we wanted is to make sure that even the investors coming in on our state, or investors going out of the state, We need to simplify the protocols because you must have seen it is so stringent. So today evening we are going to issue this protocols, amended one, and you please get a copy. And Chief Secretary now he will sign immediately for the final draft that we made in the review meeting. I can't comment anything on that because I've seen it. Her Honorable ex-governor, his comment is always like that. When he was governor of Tripura, we have seen it. Then again, he joined here in Meghalaya. We have seen it. So therefore, when he went back to his place, we have seen it. So it is not a surprise for me. He's a person who talk whatever he feels of talking. So I can't say anything on that. But as a responsible citizen of India, I think we need to calculate well before giving any statement. So once again, be it to our friends, NGOs, or be it to any concerned stakeholders, let us be together, and then we will not allow this kind of things to happen, or any misinformation or any communication gap should not be there at any point of time. Amended SOP will be issued today's evening, and then you can go through all the details of the amended SOPs, because we would like to ease out the going in and then the coming out of our people in the state of Meghalaya, at the same time without compromising the health of the people in the state of Meghalaya. So this is what, as I said to you, find out who are those so-called extremist group, because first time in my life I saw the letter they sent to KSU, to everybody. I've seen it. Whether this is genuine or not genuine, that I can't say anything. But let the authority concerned go deep into it, and then we will be able to tell you. Come out with the final decision on this. So by tomorrow we will be able to declare it. How much is the price or the cost of testing? Be it RAT, be it RT-PCR, be it CBNAT and TrueNAT.